Blizzard warning in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Blizzard conditions expected. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour will cause whiteout conditions in blowing snow. Significant drifting of the snow is likely. Total snow accumulations of 12 to 18 inches, with localized amounts around 20 inches, are expected. Areas affected include southeast Middlesex, Massachusetts, Suffolk, Massachusetts, and eastern Norfolk, Massachusetts counties. Hazardous winter weather conditions are expected until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Travel will be very dangerous with 1 to 3 inch per hour snowfall rates at times. This will significantly impact the morning commute. The afternoon commute is also expected to be impacted. Strong winds could result in some power outages and tree damage.